Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Byoma Barrier Plus treatment. This product retails for $19. I have to say, out of all the new launches from Byoma, this one was the one that really caught my eye because it is a barrier strengthening treatment. I'm a sucker for barrier supporting products, and my skin barrier has been really compromised this winter. I'm always looking for new products to combat that, and so this looks like it is very impressive. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. There's so many hard-hitting ingredients in this product, but the main ones include a lipid complex, ectoin, and squalene. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description. It goes to their website. This product does have avocado oil in it. I've not tried any products before with avocado oil, so I will be interested to see if that does cause acne. I've heard some mixed things about it, and so I don't know how it will react with my skin. That'll just be something I'm looking for. Another thing I'll be looking for include what results do I see with it, how hydrating is it, and what finish does it leave on the skin. As for anything else, I will be continuing to check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. A few things I've already noticed from just starting to use it is that, first of all, it provides an instant soothing benefit to the skin. This has so many skin-loving ingredients in it and barrier-friendly ingredients as well. I'm looking through the ingredient list and it's just so hard-hitting. The only thing I am worried about is the avocado oil in it, just because I've not used a product with that in it before. It has this beautiful pink color to it, and once it blends into the skin, it's so luxurious. This product hasn't been causing any breakouts so far. I'm hoping that will still continue to be true. I will just be keeping you all posted with that because that may take a little bit more time. I only take about 3 pumps of it because the pump doesn't dispense very much. And I mean, I wish I could just take a bath in this. I always say that, but when a product feels so amazing like this one, I'm just like, I want it all over. It feels great. And as you can see, it does give a nice glow to the skin instantly, but it does absorb very quickly. I mean, on my hands, you can't even tell that I applied it. It is a product that just blends and melts into the skin like butter. It is a beautiful barrier serum so far. I'm really enjoying it. The amount of ingredients you get in this that are hard hitting, along with the great price point, I mean, the value of this product alone is amazing. I'm really enjoying it so far. I'm going to continue using it and I'll check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I really hope this product gets the hype that it deserves. This is one of the best barrier serums with amazing ingredients in it. First of all, I was worried about the avocado oil because I've never tried, at least to my knowledge, a product with that in it, and it didn't personally cause any acne or clog my pores. Now, if that's an ingredient you know you're sensitive to, then definitely avoid it. This product though had amazing barrier strengthening ingredients and soothing ingredients for the skin. I feel like this product was really designed for dry or dehydrated skin. It would be great for any skin type because it is so lightweight, and it just creates a beautiful finish to the skin that is dewy and hydrating, but not suffocating and greasy. This is a very impressive barrier serum, and the fact that it is so affordable is what I really enjoy about it. And so I would 100% recommend trying out this product. It just checks all of the boxes for what I look for in a barrier serum, and if you're going to try a product from Byoma, I feel like this is the one to try. They've been really hitting recently with all of their new launches, and this product is no different. This is just a beautiful formula. It has amazing ingredients in it, and I would 100% recommend trying it. I saw nothing negative with this product, and if you're looking for a barrier strengthening complex serum, this is the way to go. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.